Hey, my name is Peter from Email Writer, and I'm doing this quick walkthrough video to show you how you can use the AI rewrite feature that was just added to Email Writer. Now, this AI feature allows you to kind of rephrase some section of your emails to make it more customizable for your use case. So, with this, you're sure that you're getting something very unique that only you can use. So let me quickly show you how to do that, how to rewrite your emails. Now, let's assume you are done creating your emails and you want to, let's say, rewrite from this place. What you're going to do is to copy from here to here, for instance, and then you copy it and go to this rewrite. So this is where you paste your email, your the part that you want to rewrite, and then you can see you can add up to 100 words here at a time. The idea is for you to just write a section of your email. So once I'm done pasting this, I'm going to click on rewrite, and this is what the output is like. See, so you can spot the difference by reading through. And let's assume I'm not okay with this, I can still click on the button to rewrite again. See, so if you keep writing, you keep getting different versions. So if you don't get what you want, maybe at one click, you have to keep rewriting so that you'll be able to get what you want exactly. So once you're done rewriting, if you're okay with the output, what you do is to copy it and then come to this place, delete the one you already have, and then you paste it. So that's it. And maybe if you also want to write another part of the email, what you do is simply copy it, or you can even cut it and then come to this place, paste, delete this, and then rewrite. You see, this is the output, and you can still write again. So once you are okay with the result, you what to do is to simply close it and then paste your output. So this is now going to replace what was already there. So you can rewrite as many times as you can, so far you still have your token left. And this is another email. If you want to write any of this, just follow the same process, copy it and then click here, paste it, and that's all. So thanks for watching this video, and do let me know if this rewrite feature is helpful to you. I will keep releasing much more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.